you know that some crypto traders have pocketed thousands of dollars in just a single day, literally by buying and selling the same coin at the same time on different platforms? It's called arbitrage trading, and trust me, it's a game changer if you know how to play it right. Hey everyone, I'm here to break down how you can make money with arbitrage trading in cryptocurrency, even if you're just starting out. In a world where prices swing wildly from exchange to exchange, arbitrage trading lets you capitalize on those tiny gaps, turning spare change into real profits. But let's be honest, the crypto market isn't exactly a walk in the park. Prices jump up and down like a roller coaster. You've probably watched a coin surge on one exchange, only to realize it's much cheaper somewhere else. By the time you try to make a move, the opportunity's gone, or the fees eat up your gains. And if you're new, finding legit actionable opportunities, it can feel like hunting for a needle in a haystack. That's where arbitrage trading comes in. So how does it work? At its core, arbitrage is simply buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. There are a few ways to do this. Simple arbitrage is the classic, spotting a price difference for the same coin between, say, Binance and Coinbase, buying on the cheaper one and selling on the pricier one. Triangular arbitrage goes a step deeper. You're trading between 3 different currencies on the same exchange to exploit small price mismatches. And then there's spatial arbitrage, which is just a fancy way of saying you're moving crypto across platforms, sometimes even across countries. Now, this sounds easy, but there are some hurdles. You have to move fast. The crypto market is 24/7, and those price gaps close in seconds. Fees can eat your profits if you're not careful. And some exchanges take a while to process withdrawals or deposits, which can leave you stuck. That's why many traders use bots or specialized platforms to automate the process. These tools scan dozens of exchanges for you, flagging opportunities the moment they pop up. But even without bots, you can get started manually by tracking prices and practicing with small amounts. Let me give you a real-world example. Back in 2021, there was a trader who noticed Ethereum was trading at about $100 higher on one popular exchange than another. He bought a chunk on the cheaper platform, transferred it, and sold it on the higher-priced one, all within 15 minutes. After subtracting his transfer and trading fees, he walked away with a cool $450 profit. Not a bad payday for less than half an hour's work, right? Of course, it doesn't always go this smoothly, but it shows what's possible when you spot the right opportunity and act quickly. So, here's what I want you to remember. Arbitrage trading can be a powerful way to make money in crypto, especially if you're paying attention, staying organized, and managing your risks. Start small, learn the ropes, and don't let those price gaps scare you off. If you've got thoughts or questions about crypto arbitrage, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your stories. And if you want to dig deeper into trading strategies, check out my other videos for more tips that can help you level up your crypto game. See you next time.